Hello children, welcome back to the online class. In this video, I will continue chapter 2, that is GUI operating system. In this video, I will be explaining about Windows 7. Let us see. When we switch on our computer, we see Windows 7 flashing on our screen like this. Now what is Windows 7? Windows 7 is an operating system produced by Microsoft. Windows 7 is an operating system produced by Microsoft for use on personal computer, including home and business desktop, laptop, notebooks, tablet, etc. Now let's see some features of Windows 7 such as automatic changing of desktop wallpaper. In Windows 7 comes with 5 or 6 built-in themes with different sound, effects, color, design and wallpaper. You can see background picture. This is a wallpaper. So there is a automatic changing of desktop wallpaper in Windows 7. Next, Blu-ray disc support. In Windows 7 allows use of Blu-ray disc that can store larger amount of data as compared to a single hard disk. So Blu-ray disc is just like a CD or DVD. So it has or it can store a larger amount of data as compared to a single hard disk. So there is a support of Blu-ray disc in Windows 7. Now next, live media streaming. With the help of Windows 7, we have access to live videos, media, files in Windows Media Player itself. With the help of Windows 7, we can see a live video in YouTube or when we see live match. So that can be done in Windows 7. In Windows 7, we can see a live video. Next, multiple instances of same program. Windows 7 help us in opening multiple parts of same program at the same time. We can open multiple program at the same time in Windows 7. So this is also one features of Windows 7. Next, fast booting. In Windows 7, it is 20% faster than Windows Vista. Booting means when we start our computer, time taken by the computer or operating system to start. When you start your smartphone also, there is time taken. But Windows 7 is faster than Windows Vista. So you came to know about the features of Windows 7 such as automatic changing of desktop wallpaper, Blu-ray disc support, live media streaming, multiple instances of same program, fast booting. Now let's see Windows 7 desktop. When we start our computer system with Windows operating system, the first screen that appears is known as desktop. See, this is the picture of desktop. When we start our computer system with Windows operating system, the first screen that appears is known as desktop. So what is known as desktop? When we start our computer system with Windows operating system, the first screen that appears is known as desktop. The desktop look different on every operating system. Desktop main purpose is to hold shortcut icons. You can see there is a shortcut icons which thereby help user to work efficiently. So basically desktop is one of the folders of Windows folder so as to store data which any other folder can also store data. Now let's see different parts of Windows 7 desktop. See, these all are desktop icons such as my computer, recycle bin. These are the desktop icons, and this whole area it is known as desktop. This is a start button. This is a taskbar icon, and this whole area it is known as task bar. This is a notification area. This is date and time, and this is the start menu. So these are the different parts of Windows 7. Once again, these icons are desktop icons. This is a start menu. This whole area it is known as taskbar. This is a start button. This is a notification area, and this is a date and time. Now let's know one by one in detail. Taskbar. Taskbar is a long horizontal bar which can be seen at the bottom of the screen. That already I have shown you. Let me show you once again. See this area, this whole, it is a task bar. It is a long horizontal bar which can be seen at the bottom of the screen. Its main purpose is to display all the programs which are currently running on the computer. The left hand side of the bar shows the start button. This is the left side. See, here is the start button. This is the start button. The current running program is displayed through their icon on the middle of the taskbar. If any current program is open, it will show here. And other icons such as window media player, internet access, speakers, etc. are also displayed on the taskbar. Other items such as window media player, internet access, speakers are displayed here. Now let's know about start menu. When you click on start menu, it displays a long list of shortcut icons to start various programs available on the computer. Let me show you. See, this is a start menu. When you click on this, you will see a list of options. See, there is a list of options to start various programs available on the computer. Now let's see icon. What we see on the desktop, these all are the icons. They are small pictures which are symbols of the program inside the computer. To start a program, we have to click twice on its icon. If we want to start any program here, we have to click twice on it. Now let's see about wallpaper. Wallpaper is a background picture. It is used for decorating our desktop with interesting texture or picture. So you can see the in the background there is a picture. What is that? That is a wallpaper. So what is a wallpaper? Wallpaper is a background picture. Now let's see about system tray. System tray is now called notification area. The notification area or tray can be seen on the extreme right of the taskbar. See, system tray is this side. This area it is known as system tray. It is also called notification area. And this full it is known as taskbar. And only this area it is known as notification area. Now let's see date and time. The date and time icon is displayed on the extreme right side of the taskbar. See, date and time is displayed here. You can set date and time. Thank you. Hope you have understood.